So if you guys are new here, you know, I'm just now discovering all these groups and stuff like that. And I kept seeing in the comments, Nuna, 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 Nuna. So today we're gonna get into it. I genuinely have no idea, you know, what they sound like. So let's see what I've been missing, you know, what all the hype is about. Let's go start off with.
Get into it. Work.
Ooh.
Work.
Back up at your head's blown. Suntan by the sand, nothing much on. Island with a skin tone. All the back, get it back, gotta put in that.
Work.
It's that top notch, non-stop, make it hot.
Oh,
Back
what
drop,
the-
keep 'em guessing. Big flex, breaking neck.
Hold on, this beat right now is doing something to my brain. Hold on, I was not expecting the sound.
Notch, non-stop, make it hot. Back drop, keep 'em guessing. Big flex, breaking neck, cut a check.
Four members?
That's a gift.
Work.
Wrap your waist trainers, hit the treadmill. Do Pilates, how your legs feel. Take a group hike.
Oh,
do squat
shit.
squats. Bitches go time, go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up, girl, put in that work.
Oh, it's making me
Fuck it
move.
up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work.
Oh, I can't.
Put in that, put in that work.
Where's this beat from? This is so different.
It looks so good, make the world turn. Yeah, I'm into the hot ass bitch cut.
Oh, shit.
I bet you
Work.
want that shopping spree. I call that a workout. Lamborghini, how I crash out. So many, so
Skirt.
many, hot and sweaty watermelon martini. When I'm walking to the room like
Hold on.
$1 million,
Why is this actually kinda like-
I don't know about
Hold on. Everything about this is like so satisfying. Like the beat, the sound, their voices, like their dance. Like, why is everything about this so satisfying? Like,
when I'm walking to the room like $1 million, you can put it on my card. I don't know about you, but I'm making money moves. I'm the one that
Work.
call the shots. End of the day, you be saying my name. Top of your lungs, I'ma make the ground shake. What an earthquake, going so
Oh,
crazy.
damn.
Sold out, Jakarta to LA. Moisturizer, get your eye cream and the serum. How's the face feel? Take a group in.
Oh, this sounds
So hot,
different.
Girl, it's go time. Go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work. Put in that,
oh shit.
put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work.
Yo, this is crazy. This is a crazy first impression. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, that was really creative though. I kind of like that. Oh, what was that at the end? Or something about this. I kind of like their like energy, to be honest. Okay, now let's see the one. Let's go.
Lost in mixed signals. The one psychic hotline is open.
Psychic hotline.
Hello, orchids. Are we about to meet the one?
The one. Hold on. Yo, why they got this like kind of this vibe to them? Oh, this is different. Okay. Oh my god. The vocals?
So many reasons not to give my heart to no one. I hate to tell you that you've been stuck in my head.
Oh my god.
I'm addicted to you.
Oh, this is like opposite from like work. What the?
I'm addicted to you. I wanna tell you, but I just can't handle it. Baby, somebody who's gonna treat me right.
Okay, this is actually amazing.
Hold me all night. Somebody, someone I could keep. Be my one and only. 'Cause you'll be the one for me. Be the one for me.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Be the one for me.
They actually like sound like angels. And it's giving angel vibes, not gonna lie.
Don't wanna rush into it, just don't keep me waiting. I wanna
Like they just came out of nowhere and started dropping bangers. Oh my god. I love like this dance, by the way. I love like the dance and like the lights and like the outfits. Like this, it's given 80s kind of. One was kind of given like 80s vibes, and I kind of love it. Like I used to like love listening to like 80s types of music, and that was really good. Wait, so what's like their concept? Hold on, the dreamy vibes?
Keep on standing in my light.
Oh.
Stop, you don't wanna get no closer. Cause I touch like midnight in July.
Oh my god, I love whenever they sing, like.
I know that look, I've seen it before.
Oh my.
Score.
Yo, this is already a banger.
Oh yeah, how you like that, baby? But way too busy playing yourself. Ain't nobody else won't see me coming, but I'm coming. Straight for the
about this part. Hold on, we have to replay that. This is actually really good. They're talented.
Way too busy playing yourself. Ain't nobody else won't see me coming, but I'm coming. Straight for the heart. You never seen us never like in this cute. My favorite part. I get to love you, maybe else when I shoot. I'm living a trip that you don't touch me, you know it's blue.
Oh my god. Wait. Also, I just noticed all their songs are in English. Like there's like not any like Korean so far. Or am I just hearing things?
I've seen it before. Now on the floor, get you right where I want ya. How you like that, baby? You've been way too busy playing yourself, and nobody
I should
else
love
won't
this.
see me coming, but I'm coming. Straight for the heart. You never seen a sniper looking so cute. My favorite part.
This is actually like good vibes. This makes me happy.
I get to love you in the eyes when I shoot. I'm living a trip that you don't touch me, you know it's loose. Your ego ain't bulletproof. I'm coming for love.
This is so good. Oh my god.
Touch me, you know it's loose. Your ego ain't bulletproof. Your ego ain't bulletproof. But you know I do. You know I do. Hey, yeah. But you know I do.
Damn. I actually really enjoyed that. I think this might be my favorite. Actually, this or yeah, this might be my favorite from Nuna. I'm not gonna lie. All right, last but not least, we have Honk. Let's go. This is like pretty new. This just dropped like last week.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here.
Hold on, this is Nuna? This is Nuna? on, like the vibes change. What the?
If your mirror, put him up, post it, buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we
Hold on,
turn
this
it
is
up.
different.
Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Oh my god, I love the honking like in the beat.
Get on the uncut.
Hold on. Hold on now. Beat, beat. Talk to me.
Get on the uncut.
Hold on, why is this actually kind of good? Yeah, the beep sound.
Get on the uncut. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that jump.
Wheels on the bus go round and round. Oops, oops.
Bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty in the trunk
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce?
and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. But with that bass and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate.
Ooh.
I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
I'm not even kidding. Okay, they are really pretty, by the way.
Get on the uncut.
Like, this beat is so creative. Like, oh my god.
Get on the uncut. Get on the uncut.
Beep, beep.
Get on the uncut.
Damn, I can't tell their vibe. This is actually really catchy, though. Okay, I'm not even kidding. That was a very creative song, to be honest. I actually really enjoyed that. Damn, I overall though 4 songs from them. I actually really enjoyed all the songs. That was actually pretty good. If you guys have more recommendations, let me know in the comments. You know, I read every single one. Let me know your thoughts. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. You know, subscribe to follow. You know, my Nuna journey, K-pop journey, because I'm just now discovering all this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.